Thank you. Thank you. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's great to see you all here. And I would like first to thanks to VICTAM and Parendel as the organizer of this event for inviting me here today. And I am very honored to have the opportunity to address the presentation to you this morning. Yeah, my name is Adi Witono. You just can call me Adi, a simple name, Adi. Currently, I work as a operation vice president in Bogasari, in Surabaya plant. We are a division of Indofood, Sukses Makmur, in Indonesia. This morning, I would like to present about to address about what Bogasari has been doing related to the contribution to sustainability of our environment. Maybe our country is still different from yours, yeah. But at least Indonesia is going forward to go to the more concern about the environment in the future. Yeah, Indofood, I think, is a well-known consumer good in Indonesia, manufactured in Indonesia, especially with its product like instant noodle, Indomie, with brand Indomie. This is a quite worldwide producer that you can find mostly in the, I think we already export in 80 countries with the instant noodle name with the Indomie. We have Indofood have a vision to become a total food solution company, and the mission is to provide a sustainability solution for the food needs, to continuously improve our people, processes, and technologies, and to contribute to the welfare of the society and environment in the sustainable manner. To continuously improve the stakeholder value, and also the value that we adopt is discipline, integrity, respect, excellence, and innovation. Indofood actually has progressively transformed into the total food solution company with operation all in the stages of food manufacturing, start from the production of raw materials and their processing to consumer good in the market. For example, like Bogasari itself, Bogasari Group is we are a raw material processors. We produce wheat flour milling to become a flour. And we have also our division. Another division is a consumer branded product that's manufacture the product that's going to the market, to the consumer, like a noodle division, dairy division, snack food division, food seasoning, nutrition and special food, beverage division. This is a part of the consumer branded product. And the agribusiness is mostly is a palm oil. We have a plantation of the palm tree, and then we produce to become the edible oil and fats division there. We also have our own distribution channel, this distribution group that distribute our product in the markets, especially in Indonesia. Our sustainability practices are based on the 3 pillars that represent all the 3 bottom line: people, planets, and profits. Our sustainability strategies are founded on these 3 pillars and serve as the basis of our program implementation required to achieve our vision. The first pillar is resilience in delivering food for all, like including the product safety, quality, and halal, because halal is very important in Indonesia because the majority is a Muslim. And the nutritional value, we concern about the nutrition of our product, responsible marketing and communication, sustainable of responsible sourcing, socio-economic inclusion, governance and ethics, resilience and innovation. And then we also concern about the environment stewardships, including like our concern about the climate change and GHG, the greenhouse gas emissions. energy management, water management, packaging and waste management, and also biodiversity. And also we concerned about the people, stronger together with our people and community. We concerned about our employee health, safety and well-being, labor practices and people development, and also community development. Bogasari, as the biggest flour mill in Indonesia, we have actually 4 plants in Indonesia with a total capacity about 21,000 tons wheat mill a day. Maybe we are the biggest flour mill in Indonesia in one location, but here we also have Wudeli that have more capacity because than Bogasari. And when our production started in 1970, I think we used the calico bags as our packaging materials. And around 80s, we start to transform our packaging material using the PP bag because this is more affordable for our consumer until now. But we understand, we aware that for the future, to achieving the sustainable environment, Bogasari keep trying to reduce the PP bag usage by using implement several efforts. Like we use the reusable jumbo packaging to some of our customers, and we try also to encourage our consumer to change their packaging material, their system from the 25 kg PP bag become a bulk delivery system, and also like using the normal container. So we use the technology, the tilting equipment to tilt the normal container as a container for the pellets product to some of our customer. With this effort, at least we can reduce about 1,500 tons of packaging material waste annually. Maybe small thing that we use, we have done also in the office works is to reduce the paper usage by changing some activities in the paperless way, like employee permits and safety working permit. We use everything in the digital manner. It's also like a training program, the training activities. We do it all in the digital way, so we can reduce the paper usage. This is quite sense because of at least Bogasari employed more than 3,000 employees. So this something that helped to reduce also the paper usage. Bogasari is also carries out several activities related to the domestic waste we produce, like we sorting the trash based on the type of the waste, and then we also process the leaf waste, the leaf that fall from the trees, become a compost, and we use it as a natural fertilizer for our garden around the factories. And one of our plants is also can reduce about 850 tons annually our domestic waste that we collaborate with the third party to use our waste as a fuel replacement, fuel substitution. We also collaborate with the waste bank. We call it a bank sampah in Indonesia. Sampah is waste. So that's an NGO, the non-governmental organization that works, to collect all the waste, and they try to separate all the plastic waste, and they can, this is for recycle, and they get the funds, and the resulting fund was used for the community activities around the company site. Bogasari is also established a partnership with the community groups to rehabilitate the mangrove ecosystem near its jetty, to revitalize and maintain the water surface. As we know, mangrove has many benefits, such as absorbing carbon dioxide, bearing fruit, live with a high protein content, preventing coastal erosion, and serving as a habitat for the variety of fauna. Bogasari has already managed this mangrove, start from the nursery till their planting. And until now, from the 2018, we already prepare about 5,000 ready to plant mangrove, and about 2,300 we have already planted in the coastal area near our jetty. Another small thing that we also do, as we are aware that the water is one of the main resources that we use in the flour milling process, we concerned about how to conserve the water. So the small thing that we use is we make a biopores in the soil. This is to help increase the water penetration into the ground, so the rainwater can easily penetrate into the ground. And we also doing some like rain harvesting. We collect the rainwater from the top of our storage, and we collect them and use it as a domestic usage. And thanks to that, our two big plants in Jakarta and Surabaya, our site is close to the port because we have our own jetty for our incoming raw material. So we can invest and also build the SWRO. This is our seawater reverse osmosis that we produce the fresh water from the seawater. And we have our capacity is 1,750 cubic meters daily, and at least we can use about 250,000 cubic meters annually, and this is about 50% of our usage for production and non-production usage. We still use the water from the local provider because we try to maintain the relation with the local provider as well. In Indonesia, government is also encouraged us, especially the big industry, to improve their efficiency and productivity by upgrading the automation level of their process to the program INDI 4.0. This is the program that developed by the government, Industrial Ministry of Indonesia, that's empowering us through the socialization, guidance and mentoring of the big industry. And Bogasari is also doing by applying the more automated machineries and implementation of digital automation system. We employed some high efficiency motor that equipped also with the smart sensor that able to anticipate the downtimes, then increase the service level of the motors. And in the end, also increase the efficiency and productivity. In the production side, especially for the process monitoring purposes, we have already done all the resources integration to one real-time monitoring system. We use like a SCADA to collect all the information from the all resources that we use, such as electricity, water, steam, and compressed air to production operation. So we can monitor in the real-time basis all the resources that we use to produce our flour here. By monitoring in the real-time basis, we can take immediate action if there is something happening in the production line that will affect the resources usage inefficiently. This is what helps us to be able to run our production more efficient and more productive. At the same time, we use the collected data to measure our production result, performance, and the highlights of the production, as well as for the dashboard to our management report. At the end, the reduction of all resources usage, our company can also be able to contribute to conduct the sustainability to our environment and reduce the greenhouse gas emission, and keeping the company commitment that in line with the government regulation that all the industry that use 4,000 tons oil equivalent must be doing the energy conservation. And we also implement the ISO 15000 that helps us also to manage our resources, especially in the energy usage manner. Throughout the Indo-Food Group, throughout the Indo-Food Group, one of our plants is also installed about 4,600 square meter of the solar panels on the rooftop of the warehouse. It helps us to do the emission reduction of over 940,000 kilograms of CO2 equivalent, and now is providing also the more than 1.1 million kilowatt hours of the clean energy every year. And we know that the potential of the benefit, financial benefit of implementation. In the future, we also want to install the solar panel, solar energy for our other plant. With all the effort that has been doing by our company, the application of the green industry concept that requires a continuous improvement-oriented approach to efficient through economic measures across a variety of factors like a material, water, energy, use of alternative energy, use of the safe materials for humans and environment, and the use of the low carbon technology that we implement to our industry. In 2022, Bogasari received a level 5 of the Green Industry Award from our Ministry of Industry for its innovation in preserving the environment. This is the third year in a row which Bogasari has obtained the highest level of the green industry achievement by its effort to conduct all the sustainability, the effort to do the energy conservation. Bogasari also received the most innovative terminals to support the green port because of our effort, as well as the best terminal and environment management facilities, as well as the terminal with a zero accident achievement from the Port Authority in Jakarta. In the same years, Bogasari also became the first flour mill in the world to have been awarded the International Energy Management Leadership Award of Excellence, and proudly received the formal recognition of the awards during the Global Energy Action Forum in September 2022 in Pittsburgh, USA. This is at the joint convening of the 13 Clean Energy Ministerial and 7 Mission Innovation Ministerial for the effort and the achievement related to the energy efficiency. The award was intended to as a showcase the organization that has demonstrated the leading sustainability practices and to share the ISO 15000 energy management success. Within the 5 years of implementation of the ISO 15000 that helped us to manage our energy usage, our company improved its energy performance by 23%, and reduce emission by over 56 million kilogram of CO2 equivalent, and realize the energy cost saving for about over the 4.7 million of USD in terms of the our reduction in the energy usage. I think this is all that Bogasari has been doing toward the sustainability environment, and we as a company in Indonesia, we commit to improve our activities for a better future. Thank you very much.